वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। विन तुद होर जे मंगना, सिर दुखां के दुख दे नाम संतोखिया, उतरै मन की भुख। गुर वण तिन हरिया कीतिया, नानक क्या मनुख। It's very clear in Gurmat what should we ask from Vaheguru, what should we beg for. हम कुकर तेरे दरबार, भौंके आगे बदन पसार। हम पीखत भिखारी तेरे, तू निजपत है दाता। We have to beg. We have to beg, but beg from whom? From Vaheguru, Prakash, Roop, Nirankar, Vaheguru. And only beg for Naam, only beg for Harjas. Vintud horje mangna, sir dukha ke dukh. Anything other than that, if we will ask, if we will beg, what we will get? We'll get a dukh, we'll get a pain. De naam santokhiya. Because only the naam can give us santokh, can give us contentment. Nothing else can give us contentment. Utre man ki bhukh. Our hunger can only go away through the naam, through the shabad. Gur vਣ ਤਿਨ ਹਰਿਆ ਕੀਤਿਆਂ, ਨਾਨਕ ਕਿਆ ਮਨੁੱਖ. Maharaj says, even if we go to the jungle, if we go to wilderness, if we see Maharaj has made them so green. I was actually reading that in the past times, people used to depend on farming called forest farming, where the farming used to happen automatically. They never used to plan for it, but based on the season, based on whatever is required for that area, that kind of a plantation automatically happened. Fruits came, vegetables came. But now, what we are doing, we are planning for everything. Similarly, we plan for our happiness also. And whenever we are doing anything unnatural, which is not natural, we are going to suffer a pain. When Maharaj talk about Naam, Shabad, Naam, what is Naam? Maharaj says, Eko Naam Hukam hai, Nanak Satgur diya bujaye jiyo. Can they understand the Hukam? Understand the Naam? And that Naam, that Hukam is inside you. That Naam, that Hukam, that law of nature is inside you. हुक्म है अंदर सबको, बाहर हुक्म ना कोई, नानक हुक्म है जे बुझे, ताहू मैं कहे ना कोई. Because we are not in the hukam, because we are not in the law of nature. And what is the hukam? Maharaj tells us, hukam is what this world was created from. That voice of Vaheguru, that sound, that light. If we are not connected with that sound and light, we will always have a pain, no matter whatever we do. Let's learn from the Ashtapadi, from Kabir ji. Ashtapadi is, we have 8 steps. Rag Gaudi Gwarari, it is in Rag Gaudi Gwarari. Ashtapadi Kabir ji ki. Actually, Gaudi Gwarare ke Pade 35. There are 35 pads for this. And there are Ashtapadi of Kabir ji, which has 8 pads, 8 steps. Ik Oankar Satgur Prasad. Vaheguru ji is one. From the voice of Vaheguru, that Ong, the whole creation has been created. This Maya has been created. Everything has been created through that sound. कीता पसाओ, एको कुआओ, तिस्ते होए, लख दरियाओ. All the mountains, the rivers, and the planets, and everything which we see, all came through that one sound. That's why that distinct sound cannot be heard when we are in the earth. When we are inside. Whenever you go to the space, even you can type on the YouTube and say the sounds recorded by NASA, the universe sound, the cosmic sounds, and you will see so many sounds are there, different kind. The more closer you go to the sun, the sound changes. You go to the different planets. Mercury, there will be different sound. Earth will have a different. Mars will have a different sound when you go close there. And these satellites have recorded those sounds, and you can all listen to those sounds. Just see that, and all those sounds are within us. Jo Brahmande, Soi Pinde, Jo Koje Supave. And that sound has created everything. Problem of the pain is we are disconnected from that sound. If we'll be connected with that sound forever, everything which we'll do, that means we are directly connected with the hukam of Vaheguru. We are directly connected with Vaheguru himself, because that Vaheguru, we don't have to go anywhere. That Vaheguru, that sound is within us. Sade andar bhi ohi hai. Ik Oankar Satgur Prasad. How can we receive that sound? How can we see that Prakash? Through Satguru Prasad, with the blessing of Satguru. And where is Satguru? Satguru is also inside us. Tanshiri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, Gurbani Guru, tells us, that Guru tells us, where is the Satguru inside you? Where you can receive that Naam, where you can receive that Shabad. Sukh mangat, dukh aage aave. Maharaj says, but because we are disconnected with the Bij Mantar, and we'll talk about the Bij Mantar in Houston's Magam also, which is coming from Friday, starting from Friday, coming Friday. Bij Mantar is high level for everybody here. Bij Mantar is the place where our surt has to go, where our mind has to go, where our focus has to go. It is above these 9 doors. Whenever our surt goes there, that is called Bij Mantar, where you start listening to that cosmic sound. But because we are disconnected, live chudki laggi trishna, maya amar vartaya, we are connected with these 9 doors, with everything which is there in our physical body, with our physical senses. Every time we will be connected with our senses, because our senses are looking outside, that means our surt, our mind, our focus will be looking outside. And anything which will ask or seek for, which is outside, we are going to get a dukh. Dukh is pain. Sukh mangat, dukh aage aave. Now, practically also, that's true. To give you an example, the worldly example, let's say somebody wants to buy a Mercedes Benz, right? And they have a budget of Toyota Corolla, but they want to buy Mercedes. Now, what they do, most of us, that's what we do. We finance it. We say, okay, let me get a money from a bank, and I can pay $2,000. Maybe my car is $70,000 or $80,000. The rest I will pay monthly. Now, when you see your monthly installment is like $700, $800,000 or $1,200. That means from your income, $1,200 is reduced. Now you asked for the sukh, you wanted a Mercedes. Now you got it, but the dukh came with it. The pain came with it. Why? Because now you can't afford to pay $1,200 a month. Every time we will look for a sukh outside in this physical world, we are going to have a dukh. Now, if you can afford for Mercedes Benz on your own, go ahead and do it if you need it. But what is the nature, man's or a human's nature is to always ask and look for the things that are not reachable, directly reachable. For example, if somebody has a beautiful car, maybe they want a better car. If somebody has the best car of the world, they probably want something like a helicopter or something. What I'm saying is, we never get a santok, contentment, every time we ask for the physical things. There's no way we are going to get a contentment. If somebody is a millionaire or a billionaire, they want to be a trillionaire, right? They want to have more money. They want to have more property. So Maharaj says, if you will ask for the worldly happiness, surety, this is 100% assurance Kabir Sahib is giving us, that we are gonna get a dukh, we are gonna get a pain. Sukh mangat, dukh aage aave. Because we are not connected with the nature. We are not connected with the hukam. If we will be connected with the hukam, will not be in pain. Sukh mangat, dukh aage aave. So sukh हम हो na mangya pave. Kabir said that now I have understood. Anything worldly, if I will ask, I'm going to get a dukh. He said, I don't want that. That kind of a sukh. I don't want to beg for that kind of a sukh. मैं मंगना ही नहीं चाहता. I don't want it. Because that sukh is going to give me a dukh. I would rather not ask for it because I already know. Now just think about it. What is the job of a car? Job of a car is to go from one place to another place. Can any other, like a small car, can do the same business? Yes. But the human mentality is to always ask for something, look for something which they cannot afford. We ourselves put ourselves in the dukh because of these doots which we have, these five thieves which we have. That dukh, that particular chore, thief we are talking about is a lobe, is a greed. Mind is greedy. Mind is always looking for, things which are not reachable. And that basically, I always remember this story. My friend, he said, oh, he lives in an apartment. He wanted a bigger house. And he had kids also living with him. And they collected all the money, whatever they had, and they bought a big house. Now they could afford that house, and they did afford that house. They paid the mortgage and everything. That was not a problem with them. Problem was when they bought a big house. The big house had multiple rooms, and every person in that house got their own room. Before, they had a two-bedroom apartment. In the dinner time, they were all sitting together, eating together. They were doing rasap together. Everything was together, and they were a happy family. But when they got multiple rooms, what happened? One child is in one room, second child is in another room, parents are in another room. Everybody is like separated. They never got a sukh, they never got a sangat there, right? The sangat was less and less and less and less, and that happens. So that's why Maharaj says, I don't want that kind of a sukh. So sukh hum ho na mangya pave. I don't want that. Bikhya ajhu सुरत सुख आसा कैसे हुई है राजा राम निवासा रहाओ. This is all bikhya. This is all poison. I don't want to stay in this poison. This is all a corruption. We live in bikhya, meaning we are always seeking for new things, something to be good, calm, krodh, lobh, moh. Lobh is big sagar, tamogun. When we have a lobh, it is a big sagar. Maharaj says, oh, we live in big sagar, we are never content, we are always asking for poison. How can we go to the house of Vaheguru, Raja Ram? How can my mind, my surt will go there? And this is a common problem. We want both of the things. Sometimes in the Sangat, people come in the Sangat not to meet Vaheguru, not to merge in Vaheguru. We go to the Gurdwara to ask for the worldly things. And they get it also. but then again the new thing will come, new wish will come, new hope will come, new desire will come, and then they will seek for that new thing. Again they will get the dukh. That's why Maharaj says in Gurbani, Anand Anand sabko kahe, Anand Guru te janaya. There will be no bliss in the worldly things. Especially in the big sagar, we cannot think of meeting Vaheguru. If our mind is always seeking for calm, krodh, lobh, moh, ahankar, right? Lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego. If we are always like that, we are living in corruption, in poison. Bhikhya. Bhikhya aju surth sukh asa. We are staying in Bhikhya. We are doing everything related with the big sagar, with the poison, with the lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego, but we are seeking for sukh, the peace, the happiness. There will be no peace. In Bhikhya, there cannot be peace. That's why we have to do what Gurbani tells us to do. It's not just the Simran. People will still come and do the Simran, but the lifestyle will not change because they are still seeking for the things which are temporary, which are big. The satisfaction is not there. कैसे हुई है Raja Ram Nivasa? Impossible. That's not possible. रहाओ जिस सुख ते इस सुख ते शिव ब्रह्म डराना. Even the deities like Shivji, Brahmaji, they were also afraid of this kind of a sukh. They knew. They stayed in the heavens, so-called, in the Devlok, right? But they were also afraid of this. Every time, because till the time we live in the Maya, when will Maya be totally erased from our mind? When we will have a Nivas in Raja Ram, in Vaheguru's house, when we will stay in Vaheguru's house permanently, which is also called Sachkhand, right? Sachkhand is everywhere, no doubt about it. But we are not living, our mind is not living there. Mind is outside the Sachkhand. We have a video for a Katha, a Vichar, Gurmat Vichar, for 5 khands in the Japji Sahib section. Everybody should go, and there is summary of 5 khands. There is a video there. You should go for it. Because what is happening is, our Surt, when we do Simran, we keep on progressing from Taramkhand. We start from Taramkhand. Everybody, we are in Taramkhand. Every decision is going to happen in Taramkhand based on our karams, based on our actions. We do good or bad things. Everything is going to happen there. But now, based on what actions, what karams we do, if we don't have a naam, we either stay in the Taramkhand or we go even below. We have Lok, we have Parlok, we have Patal Lok. Patal Lok is even go. We are not even progressing. We are going down and down and down and down in Patal Lok, meaning we will become insects. We will become the creatures from the like sea creatures or something, based on the karams. And Shiv and Brahma, they used to live in the Devlok, in Karamkhand, in Saramkhand. They used to live there. They knew that the only way to progress is if we get a human body. Even all the deities also, they knew they wanted a human body. And even only with the human body, when they will do a bhakti, prema bhakti, devotional worship, then only they can go to the Sachkhand. When you stay in a particular khand, you can't progress unless you get a human birth. And they were afraid that even if they will get a human birth, what if they get involved in the Maya? Because with human birth, Maya will come. Meaning, these 5 thieves will come with you. And they were afraid of that. What if, rather than progressing, rather than having a promotion, they will get a demotion? Is sukh te शिव ब्रह्म डराना, सो सुख हम हो साच कर जाना. कहते but everybody, we all of us, we don't understand the Maya. We are happy with that. Oh, I have a good job, I am getting a good food, I have kids and I have big house, I go for vacation and all. Asi mast ho gaye. We think, oh, that's the life. That is why we came here. That is why we came here to enjoy. ऐसे ही enjoy करना है, घूमन फिरना, pubs, clubs, discotheques, having good food, watching movies and all. कहते हैं उसी सच समझ लिया. सो सुख हमो साच कर जाना. We thought that this is the reality of life. This is why we are here. And says, you are not the only one. Sankadik, Narad, Mun, Sekha. तिन भी तन में मन नहीं पेखा. Sankadik, they were the sons of Brahma. Sanak, Sadak, the five Brahma son. High level, all these angels. Pariyan, Narad, Mun, Sekha. All these angels, maybe of different religions and all, they also did not understood the value of the mind. They didn't understood where the mind is. Where is mind going? Who we exactly are? Because even when you start doing Bhakti Guru Pyareo, initially, you start getting into, for sure, anybody who do Bhakti, they are reserving their seat in the Devlok, especially when you start listening to the Anand Bani. When you start listening to the Anand Bani, your seat is reserved there. But because of the arrogance, because of the ego is still not erased, and ego is more. Oh, I hear the Anand Bani, I hear the Anand Shabad, I know more than others. And because of that I factor, the home comes, they forget about their mind. They forget to come into the Sangat. They say, oh, I hear Anand Bani now, I don't have to go to the Sangat. I have to tell others. I don't have to do anything. Lot of pracharaks get into this. They start doing prachar day and night, day and night, day and night. They will preach to others, right? But they will themselves stop doing the bhakti. So even these angels also, Sankadak, Narad, Mun, Sekha, tin bhi tan mein man nahi pekha. Which tan Maharaj is talking about here? Sukham Sharir. Because their mind was also not 100% Jyot Swarup. Till the time mind is not Jyot Swarup, mind is there. And man has anchored here, meaning they were looking about our mind. So when we read this, we don't have to think about them. We have to think about ourselves. Have we seen our mind? Have I seen my mind? How my mind is? If I close my mind, if I close my eyes and I try to look into the mind, is my mind pitch black? It is full of filth. It is full of desires. It is full of hopes. It is full of lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego. Or is it Jyot Swarup? Or is it pure? We don't have to ask others. We can test ourselves. That is how we see our mind. And Kabir Sahib is saying, Is man ko koi khojo pai, tan chute man kahan samai. And they look for this mind. Where is your mind? Khat name kar kotadi bandi bast anup beech pai. Maharaj says you have 6 chakras, and there is something in the Sukham body. Kunji kulf pran ki rakhi karte बेर ना लाई. इस मन को कोई खोजो पाई, तन छूटे मन कहां समाई. कहते where is this mind? Find this out, whether it is still in the Patal Lok or it has progressed to the Pum Lok. Will it go to Akash Lok ever? Will it leave the body and go to the Akash Lok, to the Daswa Akash? to the 10th Akash, to the Dasam Dwar, to its house or not? Is it progressing there? Is it on the path of live? What if we are in the middle? And this is a question also for many people. If we are in the middle and last was comes, then what are we going to do? Whenever you don't feel like doing Simran, whenever you miss the Sangat, always ask this question. The question is, what if my next moment is going to come and I am going to die? Then what is going to happen? Am I going to go in the 84 lakh June? Where will I be? इस मन को कोई खोजो पाई तन छूटे. When we will leave this body, मन कहाँ समाए? Where will my mind go? Where will my mind? दूजे ने मन दी परवाह नहीं करनी. We don't have to worry about what the other person is doing. The whole thing about the Gurmat is talk about yourself. Gur Prasadi. Now Kabir Sahib is giving the example of his friends. Now Kabir Sahib is giving examples of his friends. Some Kali, Bhagat Jayadev ji, Bhagat Nama ji, they were all friends. Gur Prasadi Jayadev Nama Bhagat Ka Prem Inhi Hai Jana. And the only way to progress to go to that Daswa Akash is following the footsteps of these Bhagats, Jayadev and Namdev ji, because they got Gur Prasad. They got a kirpa, blessing. They got the Naam. They did a Prema Bhakti. Bhagat Ka Prem, love. They had a love for Vaheguru. Inhi Hai Jana. They knew the Prema Bhakti. They knew where to go. They knew to get detached from this physical world and only connect with Vaheguru, Pyar de naal, yoga de naal nahi, not with the yoga. Gurmukh Bhagat Jit Sahaj Tunuk ji, connecting with the Sahaj Tun. Once they connected, Kabir Sahib said, Is man ko nahi avan jana. Then that is the liberation. Then the mind will not come back here. Even the Dev Lok Vasis, the angels, can come back. They have to come back. Only one thing is permanent, and that is a Sachkhand. Sachkhand was a Nirankar, where Nirankar is there. Which is the house of Nirankar, that Daswa Akash. Only that place is permanent, rest everything is temporary. If you are in the temporary place, then what is going to happen? You are going to come back again. इस मन को नहीं आवन जाना जिसका परम गया तेन साज पछाना. कहते otherwise you are in param, you are in doubt. You think you are going to the Gurdwara, you are going to the temple, you are going to the church, you are going to the masjid or wherever. You are trying to do good karams. You are saying, oh, I do very good actions and all. No. You are still going to come back. Whether you come back as a human birth, that's not necessary. The reincarnation is still going to happen. Only when you do Prema Bhakti, when you connect with the Naam, when you merge in the Naam, that's the only way not to come back. इस मन को नहीं आवन जाना जिसका परम गया. Param is doubt. That's a doubt we have. Oh, should I take care of my kids, about their study, about their food, about this and all? Yes, you have a duty. But don't be worried about all these things. They came with their own karams. You are not the one who is feeding your kids. I am not the one who is feeding my parents or my kids or my family. It's all Vaheguru. आसन लोए लोए भंडार जो किछ पाया सो एका वार कर कर वेखे सिरजनहार. नानक साचे की साची कार. जिसका परम गया तिन साज पछाना. Then we will recognize who we are. गुरमुख होए सुकाया खोजे होर सब परम भुलाई. जिसका परम गया. When the doubt will go away, then we'll recognize ourselves, who we are. What is our reality? Then we'll realize we also have to make our mind merge in Atamram. Man mare tat mar jaye. That is what the killing of the mind is. We have to make our mind Jyot Swarup. मन तू ज्योत स्वरूप है, अपना मूल पहचान। इस मन को रूप ना रेख्या कई। And if you think that mind has a shape, mind has a form, no, there is no form or a shape of a mind. Na roop, na rekh, na rang kich. Is man ko roop na rekhya kai. Yesterday we read the definition of mind also. If we have not seen, if you were not here, you should look for that yesterday's lecture. ए मन कर्मा, ए मन धर्मा, ए मन पंच तत्व को जन्मा, ए मन शक्ति, ए मन सीयो, ए मन पंच तत्व का जियो। इस मन को रूप ना रेख्या काई, हुक्मे होया हुक्म बूझ समाई। And it came through the hukam, through the naam, through the ong. It was created through that sound, and it will end. It will only end if it will merge in the hukam, as in the naam. It has to booj. First, it has to see from where I came. What is my real form? Then only it can smao. Then only it can merge in the hukam. And what is the nishani? What is the sign that the mind has merged? When the home will no longer be there. Hukme andar sabko, bahar hukum na koi, nanak hukme je bujhe, ta home kahe na koi. That ego will go away. If the ego is still there, that means mind is not yet merged. इस मन का कोई जाने पेयो, ए मन लीन पे सुख देयो। कहते दा भेद लभ लो, the secret. What is the secret of the mind? And the only secret is it has to connect in love with Vaheguru. Sukhdeo as in Vaheguru. It has to merge in one Vaheguru. Sukhdeo. Then only the real Sukh will come. Then only the real peace will come. What does that mean? We have to kill all these automatic thoughts, all these urges, all these things which comes in our mind to achieve something, to do something. See, it's totally different than the world. From the worldly perspective, it's a competition. I want to be better than others. If you work in a corporate or in a business, oh, I want to be a better businessman. I want to be do this, that, that. If I want to be a better sportsman, I want to be a good film actor or whatever it is, right? A good musician. You want to basically become a hero. But in the spiritual world, you have to become zero. That's a difference. And that's why it is hard. Because our ego will not let us become zero. Our ego wants us to become a hero. इस मन का कोई जाने पेयो, ए मन लीन पे सुख देयो. That's the purpose of the mind. जियो एक और सगल शरीरा. Maharaj Jyot is one. एक Jyot, ik Onkar. That one Vaheguru is in everybody. Sagal Shri, every Shri, in everybody. And Kabir Ji says, if mind will understand this, mind will merge in the Atamram. It will stay with the Atamram. The identity will be erased. There will be no longer mind. If the mind's identity is erased, it becomes one with Atamram. The ego is no longer there. Nanak Gurmukh aap pachane prabh jaise abhinasi. It will become like Vaheguru. Har jan aisa chahiye jaisa har hi hoye. It will become har. Is man ko rab rahe kabira. Kende Kabir Sahib is saying, he's declaring it wide and loud. He's saying, with the contemplation, with the Simran, now I have merged. My mind is staying with the Atamram forever. I'm writing this, but my mind is merged with one. इस मन को रब रहे Kabira. Kabir self mind was one with Vaheguru. That's why he attained a Satguru's avastha. And when he left this world, even his physical body was not found. Hanji Gurmukh Pyareo, any questions related to this topic? I think there are questions. Let me read the chat. Vaheguru Ji, in the Shabad, I would have misunderstood the meaning, like in the first Shabad Pankti that was described, Vin tud hor je mangana, sir dukha ke dukh. How to understand the Shabad in the screenshot with this Pankti? What is the screenshot? Kita lodiye kam so har pe akhiye, ਕਾਰਜ ਹੋਏ ਸਵਾਰ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸਾਖੀਏ ਸੰਤਾਂ ਸੰਗ ਨਿਦਾਨ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਚਾਖੀਏ ਪੈ ਪੰਜਨ ਮਿਹਰਵਾਨ ਦਾਸ ਕੀ ਰਾਖੀਏ so what is the question what is your question Jasneet
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਰਜ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਸਾਡੀ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰਸ ਵਿਸ਼ਸ ਔਰ ਹੋਪਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ
yeah the courage is our courage is sukh will only come when we will merge in Vaheguru. Karaj de sawar Satgur Sach Sakhi. That Sakhi of Satgur is which we have to listen. That Anhad Shabad, that Anhad Bani, we have to listen to that Sakhi. And when we listen to that Sakhi, we will merge in one. That's why the first stage is very good question. First stage is always to jap, chant. And then when you start listening to the Shabad, then you have to listen, hear that sound. And then the third step is Prakash. Then you see the Prakash. Antar Gur Aradhana, Jeva Jap Gur now, first stage. You have to jump through the Jeva. Netri Satgur Pekhana, Sarvani Sunna Gur now. Now if you will see, Maharaj says Netri Satgur Pekhana, Sarvani Sunna Gur now. It depends. Some people will directly get a prakash. They will not even hear the sound. Because when you hear the naad also, naad will diminish. So that's why people sometimes get confused because a lot of Gurmukhs, they have not talked about Anhad Bani at all, about the sound. Some people have, some have not. Because that was their stage. And they directly went into the prakash. And they merged in the prakash. Now a lot of people, they will see the prakash, they will not merge. Right? So that's why the ardas beinti all the time. Nimana, humbly doing the ardas all the time. And that's the courage. That is the courage for which we are here. Pai Prapat Manuk Dehuriya, Gobind Milan ki, eh teri bariya, avar kaj tere kite na kaam, milsad sangat paj keval naam. That's the courage which we are here for. Hanji, any questions? Guru Pyareo?
Vaid ji ka, Hanji, go ahead Jasneet.
ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਭਗਤ ਧੰਨਾ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਰਤੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਦਾਲ ਸੀਤਾ ਮੰਗੋ ਕੀਓ ਹਮਰਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਕਰੇ ਨਿਤ ਜੀਓ ਪਨੀਆਂ ਛਾੜਨ ਨੀਕਾ ਅਨਾਜ ਮੰਗੋ ਸਤ ਸੀਖਾ ਤੇ ਮਤਲਬ
ਫਸਟ ਸਟੇਜ ਜੇ ਭੁੱਖਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਭਗਤ ਮਾਲਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਲੀਜੇ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਭਗਤ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ when our mind, when we are pukhe, right? That's why even the Guru Kar's Maryada is, Guru Amardas Sache Pacha said, first go to the Pangat and then do the Sangat. Agar pukhi lagi hui hai, right? If we have a pain in our body, if we have all these things, it is okay to ask for these things. That, okay, I want to be relieved from the pain. I want to be relieved from that. I should not have a puk. Basic things. There is a difference between the basic needs and the Shahi royal needs. Basic needs are clothing, food, shelter, right? First stage, if we don't have that, then there is a problem, right? But if somebody says, I cannot live without a Mercedes, I cannot live without a Rolls Royce, I have to wear a Rolex watches, then that's different, right? So for the first stage, when you have to do the bhakti, that's why Maharaj says, Kirta Karni, do the honest work. Then only the satisfaction will come. That's why we don't go to the jungles and all, and mountains and everything, and leave our family. That's our duty. We have to perform our basic duties. The seva is there, but only ask for Rajoguni stuff, we will have a problem. Maharaj never says don't have the basic things. That's why Bhagat Tanna is also saying, first give me all these things. He was a Polle Bhagat. He was Polla. He was very innocent. He said, if you will give me these things, then only I can do the bhakti. And that's what even the history says. He received all these things and then he did a bhakti. He was also some Kali, same time as Bhagat Kabir ji, Bhagat Namdev ji, Bhagat Ramanand ji, same. Even his Guru was also Bhagat Ramanand ji. हाँ जी, Jasmeet.
ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
वाहिगुरु जी खालसा वाहिगुरु फतेह वीर जी।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। हाँ जी वाहिगुरु।
वीर जी, in the same context, I think the Shabad, right? The Bhagat Dhanna ji, I think, but there he asks for like like a ghee or Turkish horse. I think it means something different. Like he's saying like he just need like a basically he needs Vaiguji because he does not need small things. He needs the like for in anything he needs the highest of the thing, right? I think
No,
he means that.
initially he no. Initially he did ask for all these things. If you will, we can do the vichar. We can have a separate session and do a vichar of the
Mhm.
basic things. Yes, he did ask for the basic things,
But these are
and
not
Guru
big.
Kar allows that.
But these are not basic.
You want to share the Shabad? I will give you an access. Just share the Shabad. Let's do the vichar right now. If you have confusions.
Okay, sure. Um.
So Bhagat Tanna ji was actually, he only got inspired. There is a Shabad called uh, Ut Bhagati Laga. When he saw the other Bhagats, he got inspired from them to do the Bhakti. There is a false thing, a fake thing, which is told in all the stories, which is not there in Guru Granth Sahib Ji, about that somebody gave him the idol and then he started doing the Bhakti. No. Initially, he was only asking for the food. And then when he received it, he thought that, but he never got content. And when he saw his friends and he got inspired from them, and then he started doing the bhakti for the naam. ठीक है प्यारे?
हाँ जी वीर जी। वीर जी, so I mean I had a different
If you
question.
want, I made you a co-host. If you want to share the Shabad, you can.
Oh, okay. Sure. Now, okay.
Yeah, you can do. It's okay. We have a lot of time.
Share.
Or we can keep a session. It's fine. I don't want to put you on spot. आओ नहीं देर फिर आपस सिमरन कर लेनी था. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Share. हाँ जी. गोपाल तेरा आरता जो जन तुमरी भगत करंते तिनके काज स्वार्थ. That's a Rahaus Tuk, right? That's a Rahaus. That is a secret. कि जो जन तुमरी भगत करंते तिनके काज स्वार्थ. That automatically who will do the bhakti, they will not have any problems. Then Maharaj says, Dal Sida Mango Kiyo Hamra Khushi Kare Nit Jiyo Puniya Chadan Nika Anaj Mangu Sat Shika. See, this is the full pad. There is nothing about the naam here. Anaj Mangu Sat Shika. The whole pad is there, right? Full. Gau Pants Mangu Laveri. That's the best kind of a cow he wanted. Ik Tajan Turi Changeri. That's the same thing, the horse you are translating to that. Turi is Turkish. Turi is basically a horse itself. Tajan Turi Changeri. Kar ki gihan changi jan tanna leve mangi. He's asking for all the worldly things in this. But in the house took, Maharaj is he saying, Jo jan tumri pagat karante tinke kaj swarta. That I don't even have to ask for all these things. If I will do the bhakti, I will receive all these things. But initially, when he started doing the bhakti, he was asking for this. Didn't had a food. He was very poor farmer. He asked for all these things, and this is allowed, 100% allowed in the Guru Kar. Ask for the basic things. Maharaj has not told us to leave everything, the worldly life, and go to the jungles and the mountains and, don't ask for all these things. Your basic needs, you can. Now, in America, the basic need is the car, a basic car. In India, it's not. Maybe in India, the bicycle is good, even a scooter is good, or a bike is good. It is as good as anything. But basic needs has to be there. हाँ जी गुरु प्यारे बोलो जी.
हाँ जी. Thank you, Viji. Viji,
No, no, no. If you have confusion, still ask. It's okay.
no, yeah, it makes sense. हाँ जी.
हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
हाँ जी, in the Shabad, right? So इस मन को नहीं आवन जाना, right? So
Yes.
what does that mean, Viji? Like the man comes and goes in, like the comes and
Yeah.
goes, right? Or
Yeah. Yeah. So Maharaj is saying, I don't want my mind to come back, go and come back in reincarnation.
Okay.
I want that,
Mm-hmm.
right? I don't want to get into all these problems because there is a dukh. Because this Shabad starts with Sukh mangat, dukh aage aave. And then because I'm asking for the worldly things, I will be in dukh. Now, let's relate. Very good question. Very good questions you are asking. Now, if we relate with the Tanajat, if Tanajat Bhagat Tanaji, if he would have stayed in that situation, always asking for the things, then his mind would have come back here again and again. But he went beyond that, right? He said, I understood Bhagati is the real thing. Gurmukh Bhagat Jit Sahaj Tun Upje. I have to connect with the Naam, I have to connect with the Shabad. It is known in the history of Bhagat Tannaji. He went even to the different temples also to search for the Thakur. Thakur, as in, he thought initially the Thakur is that idol or a Krishanji or somewhere. There is a temple in the Dwarka Nagri. There is a lot of Shabad also. But then he realized that it's not one idol where Vaiguruji is there. Vaiguruji is everywhere. Vaiguruji is doesn't have a form. Thapya na jai, kita na hoye, apyap niranjan soye. The idols cannot be made of Vaiguru, right? And then he met with Bhagat Namdev ji. There is a Shabad also of Bhagat Naji that when he met all these Bhagats, then he started doing the Bhakti. Right? So initially it always start like that. That's why when people come to the Gurdwara and when they ask for the physical thing, never ever discourage them. Because that's also stage. We all went there to the Gurdwara to ask for the physical things. But slowly and slowly, when they will listen to the Gurbani, when we all will listen to the Gurbani, it's based on the Kirpa of Vaiguru, we will always progress. ठीक है पुत?
हाँ जी, Viji. हाँ जी.
आओ जी 10 मिनट वास्ते सिमरन कर लिए जी. Wah, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru. सेवा कर लो गुरुमुख को.
Wah Guru, 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਅੰਤਰਗਤ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ। ਮਨ ਹੀ ਬੋਲੇ, ਮਨ ਹੀ ਸੁਣੇ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ। ਹਮ ਅਵਗੁਣ ਭਰੇ ਏਕ ਗੁਣ ਨਾਹੀ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਾੜ ਬਿਖੇ ਬਿਖ ਖਾਈ। ਮਾਇਆ ਮੋਹ ਭਰਮ ਪੈ ਭੂਲੇ, ਸੁਤ ਦਾਰਾ ਸਿਉ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਲਗਾਈ। ਇਕ ਉੱਤਮ ਪੰਥ ਸੁਣਿਓ ਗੁਰ ਸੰਗਤ, ਤਹਿ ਮਲੰਤ ਜਮ ਤਰਾਸ ਮਿਟਾਈ। ਇਕ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਪਾਠ ਕੀਰਤ ਕੀ, ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਰਾਖੋ ਸਰਣਾਈ। ਇਕ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਪਾਠ ਕੀਰਤ ਕੀ, ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਰਾਖੋ ਸਰਣਾਈ। ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਖਿਮਾ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ